So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your Life360 account. So let's open up the app first and foremost. So once you've opened the app, you're going to get a similar pop-up, but just ignore that for the meantime. Now if you can't get into your account, there's an easy fix. So mainly you will need to go to your sign-in screen, tap sign in with email and select forgot password. Once you've clicked on Forgot Password, you will need to enter your registered email address to receive a reset link, or alternatively, you can log in using your verified phone number and the SMS code sent to your device. Now, it's really simple to do that. You can go to your settings and go to your account. And once you are at your account, you will see if your email or phone number have been registered. And from that point, you can try to remove all these hindrances that are going to plague your Life360 experience. So if you can get in, just go to forgot password and you will get that reset link either sent to your phone number or using some sort of app that's linked with your phone number, or you will get a reset link sent to your email address. So you don't have to worry about that reset option or recovery option on Life360. So you can just do it like that. So, or you can just choose the option to sign in with email and go through forgot password, so you don't go through that saved passwords or similar options within the app. So just go directly on there, click on forgot password. You can be upfront about it and you'll get that recovery link either through your phone number or your email. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.